Go to Solid Color and choose Black. Now select the rectangular tool and draw a tiny rectangular shape. Go to Filters and find Blur and select the Gaussian blur and click Rasterize. Then again, go to Filters and choose a Stylize and select Wind. Repeat it once. Now press Ctrl or Command with T to get Show Bounding Box. Then right-click and choose Wrap. Press Ctrl plus T and rotate. Now hold Shift key and resize as you want. Now duplicate the layer and enable the center shower and adjust the center point. Then rotate it to ascertain angle. Now press Ctrl, Alt, Shift and T for 4 times. Select all wanted layers and merge them all. Add a new layer and create clipping mask. Now select the brush tool and select a favorite color. Select the last new layers and merge them too. Now duplicate the layer and hold Shift and resize the new layer. Select Hue and Saturation and make it clipping mask. Now change the color as you like. Add a new layer and select the Curvature Pen tool. First, change the default color, and next go to Brush Settings and make the brush size as smaller as you want. Now, right-click on the path and select Stroke Path, and choose Brush and click OK. Do the same on another new layer. Now draw 2 small ellipses. Now again, select all the wanted layers and merge them. After reacting the same procedure, select the Erase tool and erase the unwanted parts. Now again, merge layers and get a duplicate of the layer. Right-click and choose Flip horizontally. Now resize it as you want. Here is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you soon in next video.